Paul Bowerman with Bowerman 939 of the Brigham Tea Company. We're out here at the class. This is where we're cooking dinner right here. Over here we are butchering our dinner, and it looks like a sacrifice from the primitive days over here. We got probably 10, 12 people here tonight. Supposed to get a few more.
That's what they've been eating for this today.
This is Brian Seeley. Brian Seeley's one of our instructors.
And then when they
got a chicken.
all the way down to that hole at the can.
This is Monty Boletzo. He's one of our instructors. He's got a rabbit. They're doing. These are some of our students.
Why is there a rabbit in here?
Anyhow, they're getting ready to gut this rabbit.
Don't poke in.
There's the guy.
Come right up here.
Let me see the guy.
Open up that pelvis.
Okay, if you got a weak stomach, this is not a... Yeah, we ought to put that in the garbage. I took the garbage here. I'll go get it. All right. Yeah.
Need a paper plate and I'll put the liver part and stuff on.
Alright, anyhow. This is Bowerman 939 of the Brigham Tea Company. Got about 10, 11 people here at the camp. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Bye.